Dear, please check it. This one is our old version 0.3 HP water chiller, because it has the built-out filter and built-out pump, so it will increase the difficulty of the installation. And if your customer don't know how to install it, or I'm not familiar with that, it will increase the risks of the leakage. So we create it. Please check that. This is our newest 0.3 HP chiller. It has the built-in filter. Please check that, and has built-in pump inside. Look at the pipe. It can lock very easily. Just do it like that, and it has the insulation foam around the pipe. This one can connect your tub very easily. Please check that. This is our 2-in-1 pod. Look at it. Our 2-in-1 pod is the insulation effective is very good. It's very thick. Please check that. Okay, that's all.